These are the GDR 14.4 and the GDR 18 VLI MF Professional, the multifunctional cordless impact drivers from Bosch. Multifunctional because they enable impact driving, screw driving and drilling with only one tool. Their high maximum torque of 150 Nm in the 14.4 volt class and 160 Nm in the 18 volt class makes them the most powerful multifunctional cordless impact drivers in their class. They also impress with their fast work progress. With these cordless impact drivers, you can now choose between impact and no impact mode, plus 2 speed settings. Both tools thus enable versatile screw driving and drilling applications in wood and metal. Their length of only 177 mm also makes them the shortest multifunctional impact drivers in their class. So they make it easier for you to work in tight spaces or overhead. Impact driving, screw driving and drilling with only one tool, with the shortest and most powerful multifunctional cordless impact drivers. Experience for yourself the versatility of the GDR 14.4 and the GDR 18 VLI MF Professional. Now in the practical and unique L-Box.